today we're celebrating the live action Little Mermaid with a doll cake. I love this movie, you guys. I just love it. Now, over the years, I've created a ton of Little Mermaid content. I thought it would be fun to recreate my first Little Mermaid cake. You know, give it a little bit more detail, a little bit more realism. I just love this design. I like pat myself on the back every time I see it. It just stuck with me over the years. I rewatched my old YouTube video and kind of just looked at all the mistakes I made and learned from them, even though I did make a lot of new ones. Now, finishing this cake was, oh my god, it just made my heart so full to see the side by side of the old cake and the new. I love both versions of these characters. I love both of the worlds that they explore, and I'm excited to see what's next. Now, I'm curious, would you like to see another Little Mermaid cake? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.